a breaking update with relation to the Gyanvapi survey. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has released a statement against the Gyanvapi survey. The Muslim body says that the survey will lead to more disputes. This is the statement that is coming in, and we'll get you more details on it. This is the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. We saw how yesterday the Mosque Committee, that is the Anjuman Intizamiya Committee, was stating its arguments in the Supreme Court, and it made an argument along these lines that the survey will dig up wounds of the past, but the court allowed the survey, the apex court. It stood by the Allahabad High Court's verdict, and even while that hearing was happening, the survey had already begun. The survey had begun at about 7 or 8 a.m. yesterday. Today, as we speak, an hour and a half ago, day 2 of the survey has concluded. The visuals on your screen are of a 40-plus team of the Archaeological Survey leaving. We've had Ayush reporting from there all day. We'll just get him to join us to share more details, but we can tell you that the AIMPLB has condemned the Gyanvapi survey. It says the survey may pave the way for a fresh dispute. It says that the approval of the judgment by the Supreme Court on the mosque survey is surprising and unfortunate. The AIMPLB is deeply disappointed. Let's listen in to what a legal voice has had to say with regards to the Gyanvapi survey.
उस मुस्लिम पक्ष के अधिवक्ता गण भी थे, उन्होंने भी बड़े सकारात्मक ढंग से जो है कॉपरेट करते हुए पूरा जो है कहा जाए कि बड़े सहयोगी रुख उन्होंने अपनाया है, और ये सर्वे जो है बड़े सुचारू रूप से बहुत कायदे से बढ़िया से आगे चल रहा है। अब कल पुनः 8 बजे शुरू होगा। अभी देखिए प्राइमरी स्टेज है, मेजरमेंट के बाद अब वो मशीनें लगा रहे हैं। अब मशीनों लगाने के बाद अब आगे की कार्रवाई, आगे की प्रक्रिया को वो शुरू करेंगे। तो अब चूंकि आज समय ख़त्म हो गया है, कल 8 बजे से ये अपनी मशीनें कहा जाए कि अपने औजारों को जो है ये लगाएंगे और लगा के फिर आगे का काम शुरू करें।
So that was one of the Hindu side lawyers. I can also read out to you parts of the AIMPLB's statement. It has criticized both the Allahabad High Court's order as well as the Supreme Court. Standing by that order, it says that the Supreme Court giving its approval is surprising and unfortunate. It says that the AIMPLB is deeply disappointed. It says that its spokesperson has issued a statement to the effect that the Allahabad High Court and its order was against the principle of secularism. It was expected that the Supreme Court would interfere in the matter as it is related to giving an opinion contrary to the existing religious character of the religious place, especially when the Supreme Court has already explained it under the ambit of the Places of Worship Act. We have Ayush joining us. Ayush has been reporting from Gyanvapi all day. Ayush, the AIMPLB is continuing to oppose the survey. We've had the Muslim side this time playing a role. They were part of the survey process today. Tell us what happened on that front.
Well, yes, absolutely. Now AIMPLB statement this statement is raising controversy here. One of the most crucial petitioner in this entire controversial case, Mukhtar Ahmed Raza, who joined us and spoke to us, and he was saying these are totally false statements that are being made by Hindu side. There is no Trishul, there is no idols that were found inside the mosque. We were in fact very nearest to the mosque. We were reporting there, and when the ASI team, the 41-member team, went today, inspected this entire premises, they have divided the premises into 3 parts, and the very detailed photography as well as videography of the entire 3 parts were done. The pictorial representation of the entire mosque was drawn on papers, and after that, the latest what we are getting is that the machineries, the high-tech and modern machineries are placed to detect and make survey more most significant in the court. Well, the statement that is coming out from AIMPLB is likely to be now raising controversy in this entire situation. Earlier this morning, when Muslim side joined this, and they assured the Hindu side that they will cooperate in this, and later in the afternoon they also handed over the keys of the Wajud Khana, which was most controversial place, where Supreme Court also ordered ASI not to touch the Wajud Khana. The keys of the Wajud Khana was handed over to the ASI officials. They have opened the Wajud Khana and also took few measurements. They also cleaned the entire place there. After cleaning that, machineries are to be installed there as well. But these statements are really controversial, where one side, the real Hindu, the Muslim side,
Ayush,
those who are claiming. Well, yes.
Ayush, just stay with us. There is a portion of the AIMPLB's statement that I would like to read out. It says that the lower court has repeatedly said that the aim is not to damage the structure of the mosque, but to ascertain what lies beneath the mosque. The question that arises is, what purpose will it serve? The board and Muslims in the country fear that this survey may pave the way for a fresh dispute which could be stopped at this stage by applying the 1991 Act and its interpretation already available in the Babri Masjid judgment. So this is what the AIMPLB is saying. It's saying that the Babri Masjid judgment should have been applied with regards to the Gyanvapi case also, and it is apprehending that it may be used to change the nature of the structure. Now, this is where the AIMPLB sees this going. We've asked repeatedly whether all sides will accept the court's verdict. AIMPLB taking issue with the court's verdict, both the Allahabad High Court as well as the Supreme Court. Let's listen in to what Mukhtar Ahmad Raza, a lawyer on the Muslim side, had to say when he spoke to us today.
मुख्तार अहमद अंसारी।
मुख्तार अहमद अंसारी, आप यहाँ पे किस तरीके से, आपकी कौन सी याचिका है मज़ार को लेकर?
ये मस्जिद के जो मस्जिद है, ये जुमा मस्जिद जो है, जिसको आज ज्ञानवापी कहा जाता है, उसके पीछे दो मज़ार हैं जो सन कई सौ साल पुराने हैं, और जो है 90 तक वहाँ उर्स और फातिया चादर होता था। और जब ये मामला आया, यहाँ 9 दिसंबर वाला 92 वाला मामला आया, उससे पहले ही सरकार ने यहाँ सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से बैरियर लगा दिया। तो यहाँ चूंकि कार्यरत हमेशा एक अंजुमन रही है, तो उन लोगों ने इसको सरकार से मिल करके हमारे उर्स को बंद करा दिए। हम उसी की याचिका किए हैं, 1.5 साल के करीब हो गया कि हमको उर्स करने की इजाज़त दिया जाए, फातिया पढ़ने की इजाज़त दिया जाए, जो हमारा वर्षों पुराना होता था, जो हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड है, हर तरह के रिकॉर्ड है, रेवेन्यू रिकॉर्ड है, न्यायालय के फैसले, उसके बावजूद जिला प्रशासन और न्यायालय में हमको अभी आर्डर नहीं मिला।
हिंदू साइड लगातार ये क्लेम कर रहा है कि वहाँ त्रिशूल मिले हैं, कलश मिला है। ये अभी थोड़ी देर पहले उनका कहना था, उनका कहना है जो 3 विवादित गुंबद है, वो गुंबदों के नीचे वो जो गुंबद बना है वो मंदिर की दीवारों पे बना, उसकी खुद की कोई नींव नहीं है।
वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, हर एक एंगल से झूठ बोल रहे हैं। तीनों गुंबद के नीचे कहीं कुछ नहीं है। सर्वे कराकर पूरा इन लोगों ने देख लिया। झूठ बोलकर फव्वारे को शिवलिंग कहा गया और शिवलिंग जैसा आकार का उसको सील करा दिया गया। इनकी साजिश ये है कि मुसलमान नमाज पढ़ना बंद कर दें।